Alright guys, we're gonna try to make a video here. So it's my friend Subaru, and he said that he brought it to the dealership, and they did the oil change last time, and recently he tried to change his own oil since the car is out of warranty, and he tried to loosen the drain plug even with a long breaker bar, but that did not help. The drain plug did not come loose, so apparently the Subaru dealership over-torqued the drain plug. So we just lifted the car right now, and I'm gonna go underneath and try it out myself. They just hide it here, right there. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah. Ready?
Is it loose?
No. I'm trying to turn around.
Yeah, just make sure you turn the right way. Is it on the bolt completely?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. It's over there?
This way, right? Down.
Yeah, you gotta go down.
Yeah.
No, towards you. Push towards your
Like that? No, that's
no.
lefty, this way.
Toward
Toward
that
the
way.
left
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
That's what I do.
Maybe you need extension, no? Make sure it's all the way on the head of the bolt. Get extension. Do you have extension? Let's get extension.
Yeah.
That socket is too short. Right now I'm gonna be a mechanic's assistant now.
Okay. Okay. So.
Hang on. Let me see. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
You're going that way. Yep,
yep,
you're going that way. Oh shit. Is it that tight? Damn, hold on. No shit. Are you kidding me? That's nuts.
I know what they did. See? Check this out. They got something like this.
I see. Nice.
Yeah, you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So we probably need the impact, no?
No, let me try. I'm gonna try.
And I even used that jack thing.
That is crazy. That is so much
and
torque
then
for
I
just
put
the
my
drain
foot
plug.
like this, just trying to push it like this. I was like here.
That's nuts.
And I was like, what the
wow.
fuck?
Yeah.
So what do you think? They torqued it, right?
They over-torqued it.
Huh?
The Subaru
Something
dealership
like this, right?
No, just like really tight. That's all.
Yeah, I loosened this way, right? That way.
Yeah, you loosen that way, yeah.
Yeah, I kept going like this, and I push. Like, what the? And then, remember you said you could turn like this too, just to check, and then do it again. Like what the heck?
Okay, let's try.
Maybe the two of us can.
I'm gonna try something. Hold on, Erwin. So what you do is you hold that
hold
thing
one
there. Go. Actually, let's see. Let me get on the.
You on the creeper, and I'll hold this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get on the creeper. Hold on.
It's bullshit.
I know, right?
Why do they do that?
Huh? I don't know. They're stupid. They don't know how to work on cars. That's all.
I get the.
Oh, okay. Just hang on.
Here, I'll go on. Fuck.
This is where it is, right? That bolt.
It's tight, right?
Holy cow! Let me get that extension.
This one or the other one?
Yeah, this one maybe it's gonna work. Okay.
Help?
Go ahead, try push it.
Okay.
Stop. Hold on.
They're nuts, right?
Damn.
They're nuts, right? What'd they do?
They just probably, I don't know, maybe use the impact to torque it. I mean,
Why would they
put it
do
in.
that? That's dumb.
Right? Yeah, that is dumb.
Can I go?
Well, sometimes we change oil like this. But
Give me the torque wrench.
very good German tight.
Where's the impact wrench?
No, you will never take it off.
Idiots. Bunch of idiots.
Hey guys, changed the oil, everything. The drain plug came out, but had to use a lot of force and leverage. It's nuts. So don't trust the dealership you go to, and change your own oil and do your own work.